Welcome everyone, this is Brad Matheny. Welcome everyone, this is Brad Matheny. Today's the 22nd of November. We're getting close to Thanksgiving and getting ready to make a big move. We're looking at a pretty big swing in the markets capable with my anomaly event. I did a special report on this right here, potentially highlighting the risk factors for the markets between now and the end of this year. It's very important if you understand how big the markets are capable of swinging through an anomaly event between now and January 1st. After January 1st, they settle back down a bit, in my opinion, but pay attention. These moves are very large. The reason I'm coming to you today with this video is to highlight the Mint.com TTScanner intraday hot list. Now, I've recently added a new 60-minute TTScanner hot list, and I want to just show this to you. This is the new 60-minute TTScanner list, and I want to just show this to you because I really think this is an incredible solution for traders. My current subscribers are already telling me how much they love this. This has been running on a 2-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute setup for quite some time, but look at some of these moves. I mean, if you're a day trader, you're an options trader, and you're looking for, the potential to generate, 50, maybe 70, maybe 100, maybe 200% a week in returns using options, which I know many of you do, this is really right up your alley. So, take a look here. We've got a long trade from yesterday at 9 a.m. in RSP from 182, already hit both targets. We've already got a stop at 183.29. We're up right now 1.60% profit. There is no last number here. I could look, but that's a big number, okay? That's a very big number in terms of a swing. Look here, XAR, 9 hours old. These are hours from yesterday at 10. From 169, we've hit the first target. Stop is at 169.31. There is no more risk in this trade. We're up 1.5% on a swing. VOO, VOO, just got into a trade. We're just off a little bit right now on the trade. Here's our stop, still in the trade. Here's FDN. 8 hours into the trade, we're up 1.14%. XLB, we're 13 hours into the trade, 1.69%. Okay, these are targets, and there it goes, it just refreshed. These are targets that you can get over and over again. IWM, up 2.13%. And you can literally just stick with the primary sector spiders. I mean, you have most of them there. Here you have energy, you have financials, you have basic materials, you have XBI is a separate one, utilities here, you have, where are they, XLY, if I remember right, XLY is consumer discretionary, I think, and XLI, the industrials. So you have a broad sector of rotation here that you can be trading in and out of very efficiently. Look at this, IYC. This is a trade that it took yesterday at the close. Okay, and look at where it's at today. It's up 1.38%, already hit the first target. Anytime you see these two little pink target areas, that means the risk is completely out of the trade and you're doing very, very well. So we got a new trade here on the SPY. This is going to update a little bit. We can come over and take a look at the SPY if we want. I think the SPY is moving slightly higher right now. We'll see. But we get XLF, same thing. Financials are moving higher. Great way for you to see where the markets are moving. Now remember, you also have the 15-minute. Come down here and look for correlation between them. VOO just set up a new trigger on the 15-minute. IYC is already into a trigger, 1.48 from yesterday afternoon, hit both targets. XBI has a brand new trigger up, well, for an hour old. Started this morning at 10 a.m. It's up 52%. Really, there you go. XLI's got a long trigger here. It's up 0.14%. This is 0.52, not 52%. Come down here. Let's take a look at some of these triggers that aren't so bad. EFA for about an hour ago, really holding into this trigger, not really doing much yet. Couple of other new triggers, so you can see here, IWM long hasn't really matured yet. RSP long hasn't really matured yet. The page just refreshed. Go back down to 5 minute. These are your, these are swings that are only going to last about maybe, 20, 30, 50 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. At this point, you're getting into about an hour here on XLI. 16 5-minute bars. Here you have, and I apologize, that would be about 2 hours if I do the math right. This is about an hour. So XBI is about an hour of 0.47. XLU short is only about 40 minutes. It's off almost 0.5%. XLY is long, 5 minutes, about 25, 30 minutes. It's up 0.47, has already hit one target. The risk is completely gone in the trade. And again, IYC, about 20 minutes. It's already up 0.72%, and the risk is gone in the trade. This is a 20 cent, 30 cent move in IYC. And think about it. This is a great options trade. This could be a 50, 60, 70% move depending on where you price your strike price and how far away the options are. I would probably suggest hitting your strike price somewhere in between these levels. So, hypothetically, if we're looking at a 95.18 entry price, I would probably look at around a 96, maybe a little higher strike price on this long, and set it up, because it's a 5-minute chart. I'd probably set it up into Monday or Tuesday of next week for expiration, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, knowing that it's going to, I have that option, the time to hold it longer if I want. On a 60-minute, you do the same thing. Now look at this SPY. You got 600 and 598. So where would I put my stop? Or my strike price. I'd probably put my strike price around 599, maybe 600, right around in that area. We're looking at a pretty solid rally phase setting up here. And again, this way, and I'd probably set it up, because this is an hourly chart, for an expiration date Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or beyond of next week. Understand that you want to give these hourly charts some time to really mature. So again, and really, once you hit your first target, that could be your take profit. So look at this one. XAR, we hit the target yesterday. Well, let's find one we hit today. Here we hit one today. So FDN from 237.42 to 239.47. So that is approximately a $2 upward move. So that's about, if I do the math right, about 1%. And what you're looking at is a very quick trade. No more than 24 hours, really. And this is where you really would probably want to execute maybe all of your options, leaving maybe one or two as runners to see what happens. And the same thing here. XBI, look at this. From the 20th to the 21st, about 24 hours, we had a 90-cent winner here. A 60-cent winner here. Good. Beautiful. That's what we want to see. Here we have not quite hit our winner yet. Probably very, very close at this point. I'm looking for something that hit. Here we go. XLY. We got in this morning at 10, and we hit our target at 10. So all within that same time frame, we hit our target. But again, these are just beautiful swing trade setups. You can even come down here to the 2-minute And remember, these 2-minute setups, very quick. These are, you're probably not holding these positions for more than, an hour. I would be surprised if anything lasted more than 30 minutes or 30 bars in here. Nothing. Longest one is 19 bars right now, up 0.59%. And again, they're sitting here. They're waiting for you. All you need to do is go to Mint.com, come over here, come down to the Expert Growth subscription, or come to prices. Take a look at these services. Quarterly rate is $169. You get all my services. Annual rate is $599. You get all my services. Or you can try the 60-day trial for $74.99, or the 6-month trial, really giving you a chance to use and experience all of my services for 170 bucks. Okay, break that down, guys. 170 bucks broken down over 6 months. I can do the math, real efficiently for you, but it's very cheap. It's under $25 a month. So I want you to be aware that is the reason for this video, is to show you why these new TTScanner hot lists are really, let me find them again. That should be right here and here. These are really right up your alley. If you're looking for great trade setups and you're an active trader, come in here and check this out. I get messages from subscribers all the time talking about how brilliant these are. Okay, I want you to understand that, these are beautiful little trade setups that help confirm your confirmation. And remember, by the time you hit a target, any one of these target columns, well, these go pink. Anytime you get a pink, that means the risk is completely out of the trade. At that point, the TTScanner Algo eliminates all of the risk for the trade. You cannot go wrong as soon as you hit a first target. Okay, guys, talk to you later.